Hello, this is Charlie at My Messy Fingers. I've not done this before, but I'm going to do it on this particular collection. Scrap and Create sent me Ciao Bella's Forest Tales, and as I'm looking at this collection, it would make a great gentleman's album. So I wanted to give you a heads up that that's kind of how I'm going to be gearing this, that it will be suitable for that situation. So here's what I'm playing with. I am going to be playing with, let's start back here, one pad of the Creative A4 pad, playing with one of these. I will be playing with two of the Patterns pad 12 by 12. And then I will have four of the paper pads 12 by 12. There's enough here to make a fairly good size album. I will be making a 9 by 9 album. And I have already isolated my papers that I'm going to use to make the album. So I wanted to share that with you so that if you get the paper collection, you can go ahead and start pulling out some of the primary sheets that I have set aside. So the first one that's going to get set aside, and I'm sorry, I've intermingled these. I don't remember which pad they came out of, but they're all really distinctive. We're going to play with this one, where you've got the big square and then you've got all of them. So pull that out. And then the background for this is going to be this field of trees. And the reverse side has this totem. And then we're going to play with this side that has the alphabet on the bottom. We're going to be working with this upper half. We will be playing with this as the back, as a base page. This will be the front of another signature. This will be the base page. This will be the front of another signature. This will be our base page. And then this top half, we're going to cut the cards off. This top half will be the feature of a front of a signature, and then the green snowflake pattern will be our base page. And then the following signature will be one with the deer, and we've got a wood pile with a fawn here, and you've got a cabin in the back. And then the base page will be this diamond type pattern. And then we have this page when we've got the geese flying on the top, and you've got a lantern and you've got a fox down here. This will be the front of another signature, and this will be the base page. And then the last one will be the cabin in the woods with the moon, and this will be the base page. So it's going to be a big album. There will be a total of 8 signatures. So you will want to hop on over to Scrap and Create, get this collection, get these pulled out, set aside, and then we'll work with the rest of the papers to act as the fillers for the inside of the album. So I hope that you will play along, and I will start this here later this afternoon, and it will take me about 2 weeks to get this done, and then the playlist will post so that you can follow along, but you should be ready to go. So thank you for viewing, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you haven't shopped at Scrap and Create, please head on over to their website. It is scrapandcreate.com. I think I've got her card right here. Yep, here it is. So Scrap and Create. So head on over, share some love, and I'll see you when we get to building. Until then, bye-bye.